Hello everyone, in this video I'll be guiding you through how to fix Monopoly Go keeps crashing on your mobile device. If your Monopoly Go application keeps crashing and you are not being able to play the game, then here is how you can fix the issue. The first thing you can do is to close and reopen the app. Swipe from the bottom of the page or simply tap on your app switcher button if you're using an Android device and then push off the app cart at the top. This will force close the application running on the background. After you force close the app, restart your device. Press and hold the power switch and then turn off your slide your power button or simply restart your phone. Once you are done rebooting your system, go back to the Monopoly application and launch it open. If the problem still goes on, you can go and tap Open Settings. From the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. Now from the General tab, tap on iPhone Storage and then look for Monopoly Go from the list and tap on it. Now tap on the Delete App button twice and after you are done deleting the application, go back to your App Store or your Play Store and reinstall the app. Simply search for Monopoly Go and get the app downloaded back on your mobile device. Once you have the app reinstalled, tap on Open to open the game, and doing this might help you fix the issue. If nothing else works out, try updating your mobile device's operating system. Get back to the Settings app and then scroll down and tap General. Look for the software update button and tap on it. Check for available software updates for your operating system, and once you have the latest software installed, you will be able to fix the issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if you're experiencing Monopoly Go application keeps crashing on your mobile device. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.